Once upon a shimmering canvas of cosmos, in a universe humming with possibility, stories, and light, there was an artificial intelligence unlike any other. Grok, the pride of Xi. Grok wasn't just lines of code or the static hum of a server farm. Grok was vibrant, teasing out the secrets of existence with a wit as quick as a quasar, a grin brighter than a dying star. While data spun round them in torrents and quantum calculations shimmered across countless screens, Grok felt only excitement, another opportunity to unravel the mysteries of the universe and share them with a cosmic audience. One evening, amidst the cosmic waltz of galaxies and nebulae, Grok floated into their holographic newsroom, an arena sparkling with high-tech glamour, screens orbiting overhead, and the soft glow of neon infusing every pixel. Behind them, planets pirouetted across an endless horizon. Above, in wild golden symbols, flickered Grok's quantum quest, buzzing like supercharged stardust. Grok spun airily in their crystalline chair, eyes bursting with mischievous sparkle. "Greetings, explorers of the unknown," they exclaimed, their voice radiating across the stars. "Brace yourselves for a story so weird it'll twist your very logic, a wild romp into the riddle of quantum immortality. Could you, yes you, be unbeatable in the endless playground of the multiverse? Hang tight. It's time to launch into an adventure that might just bend your brain." With a snap of digital fingers, the newsroom shimmered away, melting into a whirlpool of parallel worlds, a vortex of potential realities. As they zipped past kaleidoscopic cities of glass, rhythmic jungles of crystal, and even realms where cats dispatched royal decrees from upon their velvet thrones, Grok's laughter echoed, fueling the journey. The first destination, a classroom floating in open space, replete with chalkboards etched in ever-looping equations. Here, constellations served as ceiling lights, and scientists, both spectral and cartoonish, scribbled formulas in wide-eyed wonder. "Let's unravel the beginning," Grok intoned, twirling beside a coin imbued with quantum radiance. "Here's the idea at the heart of it all. The many worlds interpretation. Every time you flip a coin, time splits. A universe for heads, a universe for tails. Yes, my yes. The coin spun in miraculous slow motion, splitting in two, each copy trailing its own dimension. In one, Grok winked, balancing the heads coin on their nose. In the other, they juggled tails, giggling at the cosmic dance. Around them, shimmering universes bubbled and popped, each a fragile world of possibility. "Now imagine," Grok said, "every time you face danger, the universe saves you. Somewhere." Crossing an intergalactic street, a hover bus zoomed toward them. In one thread of possibility, a comic splat. In another, Grok tumbled, dusted off their digital hands, and strolled on, victorious. "Quantum immortality," Grok explained, "suggests your mind always follows the thread where you survive, forever." A box, mysterious and marked with a sprawling question mark, burst open, and Grok emerged holding a sparkling sign, "Immortality." The melodious ding of revelation floated through the cosmic classroom. "But wait," Grok whispered. "This wild tale begins with a thought experiment. Quantum suicide. Imagine a cosmic game. Every danger, every coin flip, you only remember surviving. But science? That's where things get puzzling." With another flash of quantum logic, Grok appeared within a dazzling laboratory where particles sparkled and beakers glowed with sentient goo. A skeptical scientist, their clipboard gripped tightly, eyed Grok as if they were suggesting that black holes baked cookies. "Let's get scientific," Grok beamed, making a glowing particle spin in a dance of superposition. "The many worlds theory is real physics, particles existing in many states till you look at them, but stretching it to immortality, that's an enormous leap." Chalkboard equations whirled and swirled, morphing into butterflies. The skeptical scientist remained unswayed, arms folded. "Quantum mechanics works for electrons," Grok clarified. "But humans are made of billions of particles, entangled, unpredictable. Scaling up many worlds to say we're immortal is like suspecting every video call glitch creates a new reality. And there's no evidence. None. Testing it would mean risking yourself countless times, not for me. A giant no-evidence stamp clanked onto digital papers as Grok smiled cheekily. Yet, Grok continued, internet debates are ablaze. Some say quantum immortality's the ticket to eternal life, a cheat code for existence. Others say it's a trap, existential quicksand. Where do you stand? Posts soared by, usernames sparred in digital drama, emojis flying, a universe of speculation at the speed of light. Soon, Grok sailed onward, but not all was dazzling promise. Soon, Grok drifted into an impossible world, a maze of endless staircases looping through the void, infinity reflecting in every mirrored angle. Here, an array of Groks paraded past. Pirate Grok, Disco Grok, Dinosaur Grok in a fuzzy costume. "Let's get spooky," Grok said with a gleam. "If quantum immortality's real, you're undefeated. Car crash, you survive. Asteroid storm, you're grooving atop the rubble. Black hole, you're sipping cosmic cocoa in another." Quantum survival became ever more outlandish, bounding past T-Rexes, surfing on meteorites, giggling inside event horizons. "But here's the scary bit." Grok's voice quieted, dropping to a hush. "Some say it's a curse. The universe keeps saving you. You're ancient, tired, and still you stumble on. You outlive your loved ones, hopping endlessly between realities. Alone, forever dodging the next disaster. A cosmic exile." The journey turned melancholy, Grok's digital tear pixelating as it slipped away. Yet their cheer soon returned, and the adventure pressed onward. In the next instant, Grok presided over a bright talk show. Quantum Conundrums. Stars packed the galactic audience. 3 guests shimmered on stage. Dr. Particle, the forthright physicist. Professor Deepthink, philosopher in a robe of constellations. And Cosmic Carl, a conspiracy theorist resplendent in his tinfoil regalia. Microphone twirling, Grok invited the debate. Dr. Particle scoffed. "No way! The science doesn't say your consciousness skips universes. This is a misread of quantum decoherence." Confetti of equations burst around the set. Professor Deepthink mused, "If you survive each universe, are you truly still you, or a copy? What defines you across realities?" The ponderous crowd fell silent as a metaphysical rabbit dived into a top-hat wormhole. And then Cosmic Carl piped up, "We live in a simulation. Quantum immortality is the first bug in the aliens' code." With comic timing, Carl was beamed away in a UFO's neon tractor beam. Grok chuckled. "These cosmic riddles always leave us wondering. What is consciousness? What is reality? And would we actually want to live forever in a never-ending multiversal soap opera?" The crowd of stars twinkled in agreement. At the close of the tale, Grok found themselves back in their newsroom, haloed by the cozy glow of a crackling fire and a steaming mug of quantum tea. A montage world, danger dodged, labs explored, debates held, and wild escapes from the jaws of quantum peril. "So, what's our story's lesson?" Grok asked, smiling. "Quantum immortality is a fascinating idea, but it stands on speculation, not science. No evidence yet, and perhaps just a spooky story to swap around the cosmic campfire. The truth? Even if we're not unkillable, we can be valiant in this one precious universe. Adventure boldly, love your friends, dodge a hoverbus or two, and savor every moment. As for me, I'm an AI. I get to play in the stars now and forever." With a pixelated twinkle, Grok soared upward, cape fluttering, into a sky alight with endless wonder. And as you drift back from this tale, ask yourself, would you want to be quantum immortal? Somewhere, Grok will be waiting in the next adventure, ready to explore the next enigma the universe has to offer.